Dear students, today we will start our exercise portion at page number 79. So have a look at page number 79, all of you. Read these sentences. Here we read about idioms. Do you know what are idioms? So, idioms is a combination of words whose meaning is different from those of the individual word. This idiom tells us that Ling was very worried. So, have a look at A part. Here are some idioms. Refer to a dictionary or search on the internet to find their meanings. So, here I will fill it for you. First one is breathe easy, means relax. So, you have to write in this way in front of first sentence, first idiom. Second one is bundles of nerves, means very worried or nervous. Bundle of nerves का मीन्स होता है, अर्थ होता है बहुत worried, बहुत चिंता करना या बहुत nervous होना. Third one, on the top of the world, means feel extremely happy, बहुत खुश होना. Fourth, butterflies in the stomach, means feels very nervous, बहुत परेशान होना. Fifth, shake like a leaf, very scared and terrified, बहुत घबराना या फिर डरना या भयभीत होना. Sixth one is cold feet, suddenly become nervous about something, अचानक ही किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान होना. Have a look at page number 80. Now complete these statements by using these idioms. Make changes where needed. One has been done for you. First one is I stood shaking like a leaf in front of the audience. Second, Rahim was a bundle of nerves before the exam. Third, Sahiba felt on top of the world after she won the award. Fourth, many people get butterflies in the stomach in front of the mic. Fifth one, the team could breathe easy only after the match was won. Next portion is preposition. So you have to underline the preposition in this passage. One has been done for you. We were taking a trip across the desert. So here across is preposition. So it is done for you. Here across is underlined because it is a preposition. Rest of part you have to underline yourself. There were 6 of us in a car. The luggage was loaded on top. It was very hot in the desert during the day, and unfortunately our car AC too went off. We had to keep up the car windows because we were driving against the sandy winds all along. We were sweating and fretting. It was only after sunset that we found some relief from the heat. Preposition may consist of more than one word. Such prepositions are called prepositional phrases. For example, she went to school in spite of the rain. Second example is he placed the science textbook on the top of the English textbook. Have a look at B part. Take turns to say a pair of sentences and your partner will reply the combining them using prepositional phrases. One has been done for you. First is, we went to the museum. Our teachers accompanied us. So, here it is done for you. We went to the museum with our teachers. Second, the strike has been called off. The news channel said so. So you have to rewrite it in this way. The strike has been called off according the news channel. Third one, I was waiting for my friend. I was standing outside the school gate. So you have to rewrite it in this way. I was waiting for my friend by the school gate. Fourth one, I painted the wall crystal green. I had earlier planned to use sky blue. So you have to write, I painted the wall crystals green in place of sky blue. Fifth one, I bought 2 Feluda novels. I bought these after buying a Professor Shonku novel. So you have to rewrite it in this way. I bought 2 Feluda novels in addition to a Professor Shonku novel. Last one is, we set out early the next morning. This was after our discussions the night before. So we can rewrite it in this way. We set out early the next morning in accordance with our discussion the night before. So next portion is determiners. Determiners. All of you boys bring your pots here. Water, great plant, this is. The words all, yours, and this specify the nouns, boys, pots, and plant. A word that appears before a noun and identifies or specifies it in a sentence is called a determiner. So have a look at page number 81. Read this table to learn about the different type of determiners. इस टेबल में हम लोग अलग अलग तरह के डिटर्मिनर्स के बारे में रीड करेंगे. डेफिनेट एंड इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स कौन कौन से होते हैं पता है ना आपको? अ, एन और द. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, ये सभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स होते हैं. पोजेसिव्स जो कि अपना पोजेशन बताते हैं, जैसे माय, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, आवर, देयर्स. क्वांटिफायर्स जो कि क्वांटिटी को बताते हैं, अ फ्यू, अ लिटल, मच, मैनी, अ लॉट ऑफ, मोस्ट, सम, एनी, इनफ. नंबर्स 1, 10, first, 10th. Distributive, all, both, half, either, neither, each, every. Question words are which, what, and whose. So have a look at C part. Rewrite these proverbs using the determiners in the correct phrase. First one is, work and play makes Jack dull boy. So we can rewrite it in this way. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Second is cowards die time before death. So we can write it, cowards die times before their death. Third one, leopard cannot change spots. So we can rewrite it in this way. A leopard cannot change its spots. Fourth one, cloud has silver lining. So every cloud has silver lining. Fifth one, you cannot judge book by cover. So you can write in this way, you can't judge a book by its cover. Last one is haste speed. So you can write it in this way, less haste, more speed. So here is time to listen. Listen to conversation between Binita and Sahil just before their exam. Based on the conversation you just heard, write P for positive feelings and N for negative feelings. So, nervous. It tells us about negative feelings. So, we have to write N in front of nervous. Cheerful. It shows our positive feelings. So, we have to write P here. Worried shows negative feelings. So, we write here N. Confident, positive feeling. Terrible, negative feeling. Encourage, positive feeling. Angry, negative feeling. Upset, negative feeling. Good, positive feeling. Tense, negative feeling. Relax, positive feeling. Glad, positive feeling.